Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to aim properly in World of Warships and land more accurate shots. First, remember that ships are always moving. The shells take time to travel, so you don't aim directly at the enemy ship, especially if they're far away. Aim ahead of it. This is called leading your shots.
Action stations.
When you zoom in, look at the tick marks on your aiming reticle, which are the lines with the numbers on them. These help you estimate how far in front of the target you should aim. The faster the enemy ship is moving and the farther it is, the more you need to lead. Next, watch the direction of an enemy ship. If it's moving sideways, you need more lead. And if it's moving towards or away from you, you need less lead. Also, pay attention to the shell type you're using. AP shells is when shooting the broadside of enemy ships. When using HE shells, when enemies are angled or when you are aiming to start fires. Next is to aim for the weak spots. For battleships and cruisers, aim at the waterline near the center of the ship.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
For destroyers, aim slightly above the hull since they're fast and hard to hit. After firing, watch where your shells land and adjust your aim. Too far behind, lead more. Too far ahead, reduce your lead. Practice in co-op battles or training room to improve your timing and accuracy. And that's it. That is how you aim in World of Warships.